So your friends, your cousins or your neighbors are stealing your Wi-Fi network. Obviously you can't kill them, but what you can do is kill their access to your Wi-Fi network. Hey guys, Fizio here and I'm back again with a video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can kick people out of your Wi-Fi network. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So in this video I'm going to show you two methods in which you can kick people off your network. So the first one being changing your Wi-Fi password. So in order to do that, you need to log in into your router. If you don't know how to log in into your router, you can watch this video which right now popped up in the I button, or you can click to the link in the description and watch the video I uploaded a while back regarding how you can log in into your router. So yeah, once you're logged into your router, you have to find some setting which is called wireless. Again, this will be different for every person, as your router may be different than mine, and even if you're having a same router, your firmware might be different than mine. So yeah, find something which is labeled as security and try to find it under wireless. Here you can see it says security options, and I will just go ahead and change the password. So yeah, that's the first method that you can do to kick people off your network. But if you don't want to change your Wi-Fi password and still want to kick people off your network, what you can do is go on to this link given in the description, which will take you to a website called arcai.com/netcut. So what netcut does is basically it kicks people off your Wi-Fi network and it doesn't let them enter your Wi-Fi network. So this is also available for Android, and if you're using an Android, you can just click on this button and follow the steps written there. So since we're on a PC, we're going to go ahead and download the netcut software and download this version, which is netcut 3.0. So just go ahead and download it and open it up like a regular software. WinPCap. Once you install netcut, you're done. Once it is installed, it will take you to this website which shows all the connected devices. So as you can see, there are 3 connected devices right now. This one is my Android device, I guess. This one is my mom's phone, and this is my laptop, and this is my computer. This is my PC, and here you can see your router, and here is your computer which you are surfing it from. So in order to kick people off your Wi-Fi network, what you have to do is just click on this button, this Wi-Fi button, and then what you have to do is just turn this bar to 0. And this way they will be kicked off your network. This basically handles their network reach. So if you turn it to full, it will give them full access to your Wi-Fi network. If you just turn it down by like this, it will reduce their Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi reach. So yeah, that's about it for this short video, guys. Hopefully you kicked people out of your network. If it worked for you, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. you